Hi, this is Linda Conroy with Midwest Women's Herbal, and I'm here today with Dr. Cornelia Cho. And I'm super excited to talk to Cornelia about her upcoming pre-conference workshop, Transform Your Voice, Transform Your Life.
This particular body of work has been so pivotal in transforming my own life that I really wanted to share it with people. I would not be where I am right now. I would not be public speaking in the way that I am, and how much it's transformed my relationships, particularly my relationship with my husband. It's been a pivotal piece of work for me that our brains have, the capacity to change. It's neuroplasticity, like they have the ability to change, and you actually get to be the one that decides how it changes. And you get to use some of these tools to change yourself. It sounds almost too good to be true, except that I've done it with a lot of people now and have all these stories. I look forward to hearing more stories from this group that I get to work with.